Woodhouse Windfarm is located near Aglish in County Waterford. We're approximately 12 kilometres west of Dungarvan. It consists of 8 wind turbines, 2.5 megawatts each, with an installed capacity of 20 megawatts. This wind farm is particularly suitable for grid connection as we have the 110 kV line running directly overhead. This turbine base behind me is the last of 8 turbine bases to be poured. We set out for the steel fixers and they construct the steel reinforcement. Then we shutter around the outside of the steel reinforcement and we pour our concrete into the foundation. The concrete pour for the foundation is carried out in one continuous pour. It takes approximately 9 or 10 hours. About a week after the base pour, we set up the shutters for the second part of the foundation, which is called the pedestal. The pedestal is the only part of the foundation which is visible after the foundation is backfilled. Protruding from the top of the pedestal are the anchor bolts onto which we drop the wind turbine tower section. The substation construction was on the critical path from a scheduling point of view, and as soon as the civil contractor arrived on site in mid-2013 they began the substation bulk excavation. All of the excavated material was reused on site either as fill material or crushed and used as capping for the access tracks and hard stands. The main electrical contractor constructed the substation infrastructure. Here you can see the structural steelwork and HV equipment being placed in position by the teleporter. The 25 MVA transformer was supplied by Tamini in Italy. The transformer weighed 32 tonnes before being filled with transformer oil. The transformer is designed to step up the voltage from the wind farm voltage of 20 kV to 110 kV, where the electricity is then sent over the fence via bus bars into the ESB network side of the substation and out onto the national grid. All of the Nordex wind turbine components were transported from Bellevue Port in Waterford along a council-approved transport route. Components left the port with a police escort at around 2:30 AM and would arrive on site before dawn to ensure minimum disturbance to the local road users. The wind turbine erection phase began as soon as the main 500-ton crane and the 300-ton assist crane arrived on site. The wind turbine tower has 4 sections and both cranes are required to lift each tower section off the ground. The assist crane then detaches once the tower section is vertical. The 50-ton nacelle is then lifted by the main crane, followed by the 42-ton drivetrain, which is dropped in through the open roof of the nacelle. Next, the hub is fitted, followed by the 3 blades, which requires a tandem lift and is the most technically difficult lift of the turbine assembly. The erection phase of the 8 turbines at Woodhouse Windfarm took 4.5 weeks to complete, which was a considerable achievement. Woodhouse Windfarm is in operation since July 2015, supplying green energy for up to 10,000 homes and bringing ESB's wind generation capacity to over 400 megawatts.